Namaste all, how are you all? I hope all are good. So in last session we have seen how to interface switch with Arduino Uno. Okay, means there what we are doing when we're pressing the switch button, that time it is we are getting 1 or 0. Okay, so now what we'll do, we'll take one LED. Okay, same connection we need to do. Same earlier what we have done, only we have connected switch. Now you need to connect LED also. So connect LED now. Then you can connect to any pin. Okay, there is no anything, means you can connect to 3, 4, anything. I have connected to 4 pin. Okay, then so I have done connection and all. So I will do the programming now. So for that what we need to do, take int LED 1 I will take is equal to 4th pin. I have connected 4th pin of Arduino, so I will take 4th pin. Then LED is what, whether it is input or output. So LED is what, output, because it will give the results. So it is what, output, right? So because we are not reading anything from that, it is output. So what we need to write, we need to write like output. Okay, it is output. Next, what we need to do, whenever we press that, it should get high or low. So to get high or low, we need to write like this: digital, sorry, it should be in small. Okay, so digital okay, it is digital हुआ ना, digital. Okay, digital write. Okay, and W should be capital because it is case sensitive. And there we need to take LED 1 comma high, because we are making that what, high. If it is 1, then do high, and if it is else, means if it is not 1, then do low. So capital LOW, low. Okay, I have saved now by using Ctrl S. You can save from here also, there is no issue. Okay, see, I have declared switch pin, I have declared LED. Okay, I have taken 4, I have declared that as output. Then whenever the value is 1, it should get high, and whenever if it is not 1, it should be low, means for low it should be low. Okay, so what we'll do now, we'll see the connection. Okay, you can see here I have done connection. I have connected switch also, and I have connected one LED also. Okay, both I have connected. Now what we'll do now, we'll upload this. Okay, I have uploaded program. It will take some time. See, whenever I press this upload button, that time it will first compile. It will compile all the things, then it will do upload, means both it will do in one what symbol we can say. Okay, so it is compiling now it will get upload. You need to wait for some time, because for upload it will take some time. So it is uploading. Yes, done uploading. Okay, so we'll see the output, what it will be in serial monitor. Okay, for serial monitor you need to write like this. So already it is there. Okay, see, it is low now, right? So what I will do, we'll see output also, and we'll see this also. Okay, see, it is low because, and the LED is also what, low, because we have not pressed any switch. So what I will do, I will press now. You can see it is on, it is off, it is on, like, and you can see here also it is high. It is clear, right? See, you can see, yes, it is on, it is off, it is on, it is off. Okay, so like that you can interface LED with switch. Whenever it will high, then LED will be high. Whenever low, then LED will be low. I will give one exercise for you people. See, I have not pressed now, but it is continuously loading like low. But I don't want that. I want how, when I will press, that time it should show only one time high, and when I remove, it should show only one time low. So how you will do that? Just do that. You can comment, or you can write in comment also, like how you have done in. So take that as exercise and come with result. So thank you so much everyone. Thank you, you're watching and you're supporting a lot to our channel. So thank you so much, keep supporting, and please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Okay, so thank you.